I can see my ex calling. Don't know why the fuck my ex calling. I can see my ex calling. Don't know why my ex calling. I'm gonna see if we bounce off this like CE wick. Don't know why my ex calling. Yo, what is up? Sorry, I'm back. Had to take care of some things, but why is my chat not working? There we go. Analytics. Okay. Right now, like I said, before I left the stream earlier, I told you guys I wanted this low to get taken out. I am bearish bias still going into today. I'm going to see if we respect the CE of this wick here on the 5-minute, because I drew this CE wick here and it was just marked out here. We can potentially bounce off of this wick here and see if we can see some more upside. Plus, we have this is technically our order block. We broke structure back to the upside on the 1-minute here. I would like us to, realistically, we could see some upside, but after sweeping at this low. But knowing from yesterday, stick with one bias. I am bearish bias going into today. We did tap into this 15-minute fair value gap here, and we just tapped this 1-minute right here, inverse this fair value gap here. We could see some downside here. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Very bearish bias right now. If we create a fair value gap here, that'll look nice to enter shorts off of. But realistically, it wouldn't be bad for price to come back up, sweep out these highs, and then go lower. But other than that, just chilling, bro. We inverse this fair value gap, not bouncing off the CE of the wick here. So could see some potential downside here. I want to see this get swept. This little internal liquidity is swept here. Like I said, we're very bearish right now. Didn't tap this. I was looking at. I was saying that if this comes, after we inverse this fair value gap here, and tap this 1-minute fair value gap, we could see some downside, and entering off this fair value gap wouldn't be bad. But I'm up my 500 on my demo account trading Euro USD. Are you what broker are you on, or what is it? Yeah, broker. After sweeping out this low right here, I don't think I would want to short after this here though, because we already took out this low a day. What's up, brother man? Rich on the way. Yes sir, Rich on the way. What's up, brother man? Literally, my sister missed the bus, and I had to take her to school. And then my dad wanted a coffee, so I had to go get coffee too. So I was like, oh shit, like, damn. But it's all good. Got to do it for your loved ones, man. I also got myself a coffee too, so that adds up, bro. Oh, that's funny. But yeah, right now we're just waiting, seeing what's up. Um, yeah, that's pretty much what we're waiting for, to be honest. We have some unmitigated fair value gaps appear. So, are you trading with prop firms or your own money? I am trading with a prop firm right now. I am on a 50K top step combine. You don't want. You don't want. Oh, let me. Today's gonna be a good day for sure. Just being patient, sticking with one bias. This is our second confirmation here. We could see. I'm potentially for us to see lower here. Maybe to this low. This low here. I want to see us go lower though. I guess. Have you passed evaluation yet? So I've passed it before, but I was never documenting it. So I've passed a 50K account and I got a payout like once. But after that, I literally haven't passed a single combine. Like I haven't passed. But I was able to pass, get a payout. But after that day, everything just went downhill, bro. And then haven't been able to pass one yet. Do you think the FOMC people speaking today will affect the market? Yes, absolutely. I know it's an orange folder, but it's like I don't know. I've never heard of Mester Speaks, but I'm pretty sure it will have some volatility to it for sure. But yeah, volatility for sure. I want us to come up to this 1 minute here and rebalance. And for us to potentially go lower. Day trading live as an unprofitable day trader. That's crazy. We're rejecting. This seems to be resistance right now. We're rejecting this 30-second fair value gap right here. I want us to come up. I want us to come up higher though. To tap into a higher time frame imbalance. That would be nice. Right now we just wait. If this candle closes like this, we'll have a 5 minute and we can enter off of that. So how difficult would it be to get a 10K funded account? It's not difficult. You just have to pay like a premium, like a 10K account. It just depends on what broker or what prop firm you use. So it just depends. Like honestly, like Topstep doesn't do forex, so you can just like a funded engineer. You'll just have to see what the prices are for a 10K account. We are at the same ICT learning stage. Good to see you. Hey, that's what's up, brother. I mean, like we know that it's like we know the concepts, but we don't know how to use it like in live action. Like we get scared. You know what I mean? Not scared, but we just don't see the bigger picture. But whenever we're back testing, we're like, oh yeah, we see this and this and this. Oh yeah, this would have played out. And then when you do live action, it's like, oh, why is it not working? You know? Do you document, journal your trades? Yeah. So basically, I put it all on my YouTube, so I'll look back at it and be like, damn, like what could I've done better here? If you watch like the trade recaps, I tell like what I could have done better and all that stuff. Damn, looks like we're just dropping here. Do have this order block now. Fair enough. Nice rejection so far at this key level here. It looks like we're tapping into a higher time frame imbalance, I'm pretty sure. We're still in this 15-minute here, but I'm pretty sure we're running through all of these, realistically speaking. Like I said, I want us to come down, tap a higher time, like maybe potentially tap this 5-minute imbalance here and go even lower, because this is now our breaker. This is now our breaker. So we just wait for this 5 minutes to close. You got a Discord, bro? I have a Discord, but I don't have like I have. Oh my goodness, I have a Discord, but I do not have a Discord server where everybody's in it. So, but if you need like anything, just DM me on my Instagram. Yeah. Try to use a bit of support and resistance is good, so I use it part of my strategy. Yeah, I think it's like ICT is basically support and resistance. It's just named differently. Like this is like support right here, the support level right here. But right now we're just waiting for more confirmation for us to go even shorter. You know what I mean? Cause like let's say like this is support, and this was resistance here. Broke past it, price went up, came back down, retest, and went back up. But ICT is basically support and resistance. There's just more stuff to it, that's all. I got my white girl drink, so. Oh. I'm going to be going to Oklahoma City later today, so that's going to be fun. Okay, so I want to see us tap into this 5-minute and breaker area here. But at the same time, like, we have such like big imbalances that we haven't filled yet. So it's like, do we wait, or if we see it get set up, we take it, you know? But let's see if we can tap into this 5-minute here. Okay, we're tapping into this 5-minute here. Let's get rid of this area here. So basically now we tapped into this 5-minute, swept all of this buy side. All these tactical highs, 1, 2, 3. Buy side was swept. Tap into this little breaker area too, or this order block. Could see some potential shorts here, but we'll have to see what happens. Looks like we could come back, tap the 1-minute here also. If it touches the 1-minute, it'll be very more prominent. But if not, it's cool. I'm not too worried about it. I want to give you a tip when I watch your live streams. You put your stop loss always on the level of support and resistance. Try to put a bit more up and down so you don't get stopped out, bro. You're right. Okay, I'll put it on. I'll put it like above or lower than what I usually put it on. Cause like this is like if I put my stop loss up, if I enter down here and put my stop loss up here, it's prominent. You know what I mean? It's like not bad, but I don't know where I would put my stop loss at. You know what I mean? I'll probably put it like above like the next high or something, but I got you. Okay, we're tapping into this 1 minute here. Looks like buying power is very strong. Tapping this 1 minute and just running through this. Sweeping this internal liquidity here. Still bearish bias. Are you going to take an entry? I am not. Right, as of right now, I am not taking an entry right now. Because I'm bearish right now. But at the same time, I'm a bearish bias, but we just got done taking out this liquidity here. This 15-minute liquidity here. So I'm like kind of mixed bias at the moment. Like it's kind of like yesterday, bro. Like the objectives have already been taken, and I'm like not too comfortable taking anything right now, because at the same time we just got down sweeping London low and Asian low, so we could see potential upside to take a London high, but that's like not very likely. But other than that, we'll have to see. If I want to see some longs, I will need to see a 5 minute break of structure. So if we see a 5 minute break of structure to the upside, I'll look to take longs. But as of right now, I'm bearish bias. Yo, what's good, fat man? What's good, brother, man? This could act as another buy side up here. These technical highs up here. So if we can see these get taken out and starts displacing down, that would be great. Because we do have this 1 minute in line of everything, plus this inverse fair value gap, but it's very unlikely that we will drop from this one. We would need a higher time frame. Tap this 15-minute. Dun, dun, dun. Like I said, I'm going to be very more patient today, be very strict, and be very diluted. I don't even know what that word means. I'm just using big words. So we swept out this buy side liquidity here. You're currently trading demo? Yes, I am. I'm trading on a 50K Top Step Combine account right now. We're not seeing the displacement we need. So looks like we're tapping to this 1 minute here up, tapping this 1 minute up maybe. But right now we're just kind of just waiting. Dun, dun. This short doesn't look bad. I'm pretty sure the first move is always the manipulation move. I'm going to wait for another sweep internal high. Took an L today. I'm done. Yeah, exactly, bro. That's the mindset you need, bro. That's what I need, bro. We heavily bearish. Exactly, bro. That's why I'm not looking for longs at the moment, unless we get a 5 minute break of structure. So almost out of my 2K loss, my friend. Almost out of my 2K loss. That's what's up, bro. Good shit. Okay, so we're respecting this. If we don't respect this, I'll look to, if we create another fair value gap here, I'll look to enter off the second entry. Because right now we're still in this 1 minute here, respecting it pretty good, pretty heavily actually. So like I said, this was my original entry, but I wanted to be more safe and wait for another entry. Wait for a 15-second fair value gap or something. Get rid of this. This is out of the way now. Actually, I'm gonna up my size on this one. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay, if you can come up here, I'll look to sell up here. If we get filled here, if we can come back to this 15-second imbalance, that'd be great. Plus, we have a 30-second up here too. Okay, that was a terrible fill. But I'll have my stop loss up here. Should have just set a limit, honestly. What was about my stop up here? How much am I risking it? I'll put my stop loss up here. That's like prominent. We'll see what happens here. Just to be safe, put my stop loss up here. We should see some downside here. I tried scalping that 10 a.m. macros, but I forgot we had news law and stopped me up before going up. Yeah, bro. I mean, this draw was the draw that I really wanted to get taken out before I left the stream earlier. We swept this and then swept it again. So, yo, what's good, brother man? Danny J I 3D. We had a huge gap down from previous day. Wouldn't be the worst idea to go long at some point. Yeah, that's true. But at the same time, everything is pointing bearish. We're like breaking past this daily fair value gap here. And then 4 hour we're bearish, 1 hour we're bearish, 15-minute we're bearish. So it's like everything's pointing bearish, and I need to see some sort of market structure shift in a higher time frame for us to go longs. I'm gonna go break even after we sweep out this low, or I'll probably take my profits at this low right here. But I really want these lows down here. We should run through these. I'm in long right now. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I don't see, like, I see why you would go long for sure. Like, we sweep this sell side liquidity, sweep it again. This is a basic 2022 model. You would have entered here, break of structure, fair value gap. You would have entered here. Yeah, I see why you would go long, but at the same time, I'm very bearish bias. So that's why I'm short. We'll see. Yeah, like I said, I don't see you guys. I don't see why longs wouldn't be a bad idea. And who knows? I could be completely wrong, but I have to stick with my mindset and my idea. We sweep the sell side on the daily. That's why I'm long too. Let's see. Yeah, I would, like I said, I would see why you guys would go long for sure. Just bearish overall though. But I could be absolutely wrong. So, we'll see what happens. Wow, that candle was not nice. Looks like we might get stopped out here. We'll see though. I'm not. This is what I mean, bro. You stop exactly on the last high, but I put a bit more up so I don't get stopped up because the price comes to that symbol to retest it. You're right. I put it like if I put my risk up here, my stops is gonna be skewed, bro. My RR is like skewed, like heavily. I'll put it like right here. I'll put it like above right here, just to be safe, and then I'll move it eventually as soon as we come down more. Okay, so we just got done breaking this fair value gap here. This should act as an inverse now. Respecting the inverse for fair value gap right now, so far so good. Also making an imbalance here, so that's good. Now we got to run through this imbalance here. Nice little engulfing candle here also. We're tapping into this 5-minute here. We'll have to see what happens. I'm going to move my stops here just to minimize my risk because we are tapping to this 5-minute plus this inverse fair value gap on the 5-minute here also. So I'm going to move my stops like above this high. Or okay, so we have this inverse, right? So what I'm going to do is if we get a candle closure above this inverse, I'll look to get out. Looks like we might get a candle closure above this high. Okay, we didn't close above it, but we could also wick it back down. So I'll have to wait a whole minute to see what this does. See, look at how it wicks back down. We'll see what happens here. Okay, I'll get out here. Never leave your single head perfect. I think it's like we tapped this 5-minute imbalance here, went up, also aligning it with this inverse. If we can get a 5-minute break of structure to the upside here, it would look a lot more prominent. And I'm keeping my stop losses I'm keeping my stops a lot smaller than what I would usually go. It was like I think I lost 34 ticks here. But at the same time, this could still go down, bro. I'm just trying to minimize my loss, and I'll look to re-enter if I have more confluences. But as of right now, it looks very prominent to the upside after sweeping the sell side. And then literally tapping this 5-minute imbalance here. Also in line with this inverse. But I want to see a 5-minute break of structure to the upside first. And once I see a 5-minute break of structure, I'll look to long to these highs up here. But as of right now, the shorts don't look too prominent in my opinion. So right now we just wait. Look, one trade's in that's. Oh wait, hold up. Shit price action about to be done for the day, man. Yeah, no. The thing is, it looks great for longs, bro. Realistically, if we get a 5 minute break of structure, I'm gonna go on the 5 minute. If we get a 5 minute break of structure here, this would be a lot better, more prominent for longs. Looking for opening high for TP. After news volume died a bit. Same with is XAU. I don't know what the fuck that is. I know it's Forex, but took one trade. That's enough for today, to be honest. Yeah, I know that's fair. That's fair, but at the same time, it looks great for longs, bro. Like I said, it looks great for longs. Um, I would like price to come down, tap this 1 minute, go back up even higher, and that's we just need a 5 minute break after this. This candle needs to have a 5 minute break of structure for us to go higher. Or was my short like the right bias, bro? That's the thing. We need to respect this fair value gap if we want to go higher. That's tough. So right now we just wait. Looks like short bias might be the thing right now, but if we need, we would have to run through this fair value gap here. Oh, my leg. Was shorts the move? I'm gonna get a short here. I like how we close below this candle here. Now, if we get a candle closure below this, I'll look to add another position. After seeing this get resisted, looking for more shorts. If we could come back up here, retest this imbalance here. Oh, okay. I guess I just got. I did not mean to do that. Okay. Guess we're filled in for another short here, which is fine. Stop is above a candle closure above this high, or above this fair value gap here. We'll see what happens here. Wow. Okay. Wow, we just lost 600 bucks like that. We got a 1 minute breaker structure. Entered off this inverse. It was good at first. Looked very high probability, but I guess not. How many trades do you usually take a day? I think this could be my last trade, bro. Or all my freaking Top Step combine. Um, I'll look for one more. Whoa, I'm gonna look at the 5 minute here. Looks like we're starting to just chop around here. Realistically, this would have been the best entry up here. And have your stops above this high. I'm gonna give shorts another try here, but I'm putting my stops above this high. Or a little bit above this high. Okay, there we go. See what happens here. You have to listen to me. I try to help you, my G. Yeah, prices. No, I know price is going down. It's just like I have to keep my stops loss like super minimized, bro. And it's like because I'm on a 50K combine, I'm already in big like drawdown, so I have to like keep my stop losses minimized, and before I lose a lot more one trade. From experience, you are way too focused on lower time frame. Use a higher time frame for overall framework. Maybe a 30 minute or 1 hour base of your style. Go with that direction. So yeah, so basically, like I said, like I already did like my higher time frame analysis. Like I said, bearish on the 4 hour, bearish on the hourly. 30 minute is bearish. 15 minutes bearish. 5 minute is bearish. So that's why I went shorts instead of longs. But yeah, so I have already like looked at the higher time frame and I saw that we were all like overall time frame bearish, so that's why I went short. So right now we would need to get rid of this. Run through this fair value gap here. Now we just wait. 2 trades that's got stopped out. Price is gonna go down, but it will stop you out first. Wait for it. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out, bro. Because I had like I told you guys, before this even happened, I already had like the idea of what price action is going to do, you know? Like I said, before price action even started accumulating here, I said, oh yeah, we have these cyclical highs up here. And we also have this 1 minute here. Well, this 1 minute that we're tapping into again. Like I said, at first I was like, okay, we can see this for 15-second fair value up here. Entered off this and wanted to have my stop above this high, but I added, oh shit, I added another position, and Yeah, bro. Like I told you, because I had the right idea. It's just like I should have just. Do I take profits here at this 1 minute fair value gap? I'm gonna take profits at this 1 minute fair value gap here. Nice little 2.248. Like I said, I already knew price was going down, bro. It's just like I just kept getting stopped because like I kept adding, so I had to like minimize my risk so I wouldn't lose a lot even if I did lose. So that's why I did it. But overall, I'm still down $412 on the day. Yeah, exactly. I just took profits because I was already like in big drawdown, bro. So even if I know price is coming down to these lows down here, I just gotta be able to take profits because I'm not trying to get like big drawdown here. Damn, bro. It's all good. It's all good. Don't FOMO, bro. Like I already knew price was coming down here. Yeah, NQ is kind of heavy for 50. Yeah, the thing is, I only trade in Q. That's the thing. I only trade in Q, so, and like I hate trading ES because it doesn't move as volatile as in Q. Nice trade, bro. Thank you, brother, man. Like I said, I'll do like a trade little recap right here because I like this trade a lot. Um, Basically what happened was we come up, sweep the sell side liquidity here, and then 1 minute fair value gap up here. We have this liquidity resting above these stack equal highs, resting liquidity right here, right here. Price came up here, tap this 1 minute fair value gap, displaced down. I was looking to enter. I was looking at this 15-second fair value gap here, but I wasn't too sure. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna keep waiting. Price went down, entered off around here, around this area here, got stopped out because I added another position, I believe. Added another position, got stopped out, moved my risk. Price was accumulating here again. Price drop again, tapping this 15-second fair value gap. Entered once and then entered off again because we had an inverse fair value gap. Same thing again. Tap this 1 minute fair value gap, 15-second fair value gap, not ever taking out this high. Enter off this 15-second fair value gap and then dump. So yeah, that's part of my strategy that I use. That's why I'm always on the lower time frame, but it's very manipulative too at the same time. So it's like, you know, bro, look what I said. If you just put your stops a bit higher, because I was just stopping out all the stops were going down again. Yeah, exactly. That's I. It never went up to, so I had my original stop loss up here, right? Like this was my original stop loss up here at this high, but at the same time, I just kept getting stopped out because I was managing my risk, and which isn't a bad thing. And plus, after running through these imbalances or after closing above these inverse fair value gaps here, I had zero confidence left. I was like, okay, I added because this happened, but now it's not happening anymore because we already closed above it. So what's the point of me staying in the trade? You know what I mean? Your technical analysis are good, but look at your stops and think before you place them. That's true. That's true. I mean, at the same time, I could have had my stops up here just in case, but it's all good. Caught this nice little trade here, nice little W. Yes, sir. Sorry, I'm like laughing low key. We did tap this 1 minute here. Like we could do the same thing too. Like if we see this 1 minute fair value gap, this sell side not getting taken, or this buy side not getting taken out yet. So if we see buy side get taken out of this high, and we see some displacement down, we could see lower. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for about 2 years now, or a year and a half. It's about to be 2 years in June. how much you made with this trade, bro? I made, so 82 times 5. I made about $410 on the combine, but I was already a major drawdown, so I'm still down $400. Like I said, it was a nice little trade here. I want us to come up, tap this. Oh wait, we already tapped it, right? We just need to see some displacement down. No, I want to see this high get taken out though. I want to see this high get taken out, sweep, but at the same time, we had this 1 minute that we just tapped, and we never tapped it again. So we'll have to see. This is real money now. This is not real money. This is paper money. This is on a combine, so it's technically paper. I guess you would say it's technically paper, but right now I'm just proving to Top Step that I can actually trade and I know how to trade. And then once I do that, I can get funded. Like I said, I'm unprofitable, but like I have my technical analysis down, but I'm just unprofitable as fuck. For real, for real. Hold up. Bro, I had Whataburger and McDonald's last night, bro. It was just fire. I'm in that trade. Are you in the short trade right now? I could have looked to enter off this 1 minute here, and we did tap it, but I want to see some sort of another buy side get rated. But I want to close since it's almost. What do you mean almost 4 p.m.? Market doesn't close until like in like 6 hours, bro. Oh my god! Like I said, I was looking to enter off of this fair value gap here, but at the same time, like we never reached this. But I looked, and we've already tapped this 1 minute fair value gap. So I was like, do I want to take this or do you want to play it safe? I'm playing it safe, obviously. So we never swept out this next high up here. So that's why I didn't take this 15-second. But I do want to see. I want to see this 1 minute get ran through first. I want to see this 1 minute get closed below. Once we close below this 1 minute, I'll look to potentially find a lower time frame short, and then we'll look to target these lows. But I need to see this 1 minute get ran through first, because this 5 minutes already been ran through. Looks like we ran through this, re-tapped this 5 minute here, made it an inverse. So, okay, so we ran through this 1 minute here. So now what I'm looking for is some sort of liquidity. Some sort of liquidity, like this could be liquidity up here. This resting buy side up here. This could be liquidity. And then look to target these lows down here. No, I'm in for longs. I got you. I mean, I wouldn't look to long anything, to be honest, in my favor, or bias, a bearish bias overall. Damn, imagine if I stayed up here, bro. That would have been crazy. You use Trading Combine? Yes, I do use Trading Combine. You can maybe go in. Maybe you can go in it. We'll go down even more. Like I said, I want to see some sort of buy side liquidity sweep first before entering anything. If I want to see some shorts with Top Step, yes. I do my combine through Top Step. Yes. Sorry, my bad, boys. Yeah, see, I told you guys we're coming down to this low. Like we are coming down to this low. That's more likely the next draw on liquidity here. Maybe even lower. That's the thing. But at the same time, I want to see some sort of liquidity sweep if we're going low. This, like I said, I'm glad I stuck with a bearish bias. Because look, see this big bearish candle here? Engulfed. And then also, we had this ran through, this 5-minute ran through. Looks like we came back, retest the 5-minute, and then dropped. So right now what I'm looking at, boom, this 1 minute, we're retapping this 1 minute imbalance. 1 minute here, inverse fair value gap. What I'm looking for is some sort of liquidity sweep. So I want to see price action come back up to tap this buy side and then drop. Because there's no reason for price to just... obviously, price can do what the fuck it wants, but... Bro, free money right now. What do you mean free money? So I want to see this buy side liquidity get purged. For looking for shorts. It seems to be the next high probable liquidity, DOL, and maybe even lower. Let's sweep it. We gotta sweep it. Never swept it. That seems to be resistance right now. Okay, we swept it. Now, do we have any higher time frame imbalances that lines up with it? We do not. So, what we're going to do is freaking wait. Wait for some sort of structure, more validation for shorts. We could also come back all the way up here too. Come back all the way up here and tap this 1 minute, sweep all this buy side here and before going lower. Unless we start displacing here though. Okay, if we can create a fair value gap, I'll look to enter shorts right here. If we create a fair value gap. Okay, I'm going to look to enter shorts here. Put my limit up here. Stops above this high just in case. Look to target this low again. Look to target low day. Okay, we're filled. We'll see what happens here. Ooh, it's not looking too hot. This probably was a really early trade. We honestly could have waited to see if price wanted to come up to this buy side liquidity up here, but this is probably way too early. Yep, it was way too early. Nice. It was like a 19-point stop loss, so it's not terrible. We could see this buy side liquidity up here. Wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised if price came back all the way up here and then dumps. Or maybe to even this literally fair value gap up here. If we start to displace again, but I really want to wait for this high up here. For looking shorts, down about 511. We have no, like I said, we have no higher time frame imbalance, so this short that I took earlier wasn't high probable because we have no higher time frame imbalance, bearish imbalance on the left side here. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. If we respect this 15-second up here, I'll look to enter off this next. Let's see if we break structure here first, though. No, we don't. I just want to see what happens a little bit. Hold up here.
You don't know how.
Okay, hold up. My bad, boys. Hold up. Okay. So we're expecting this 30-second fair value gap right here. Now we just wait. How many trades have you took today? 1, 2, 3. I've only taken 4 trades, but most of them were small losses. So I'm like, this is probably gonna be my last trade, and then just talk to you guys or something. But we'll see. We broke structure on the 1 minute. So this 30-second right here is very probable. So I'm probably gonna look to take a short entry here, and then okay, we're filled. We'll see what happens here. Keep losses small. Like I said, we broke structure on the 1 minute here. This 30-second fair value gap. Wow. We might get stopped out here. We're still also in line with this 1 minute inverse right now still too. Okay, we're stopped out of this trade too. That's unfortunate. That is so unfortunate. Yo, it was good, Jeremy. Bro, swing a little bit higher. Okay, but I just want to keep my stop losses tight, bro. I'll wait for this buy side liquidity to get swept. The only reason why I entered off this short was because 1 minute broke structure to the downside here, and then we had this fair value gap that wasn't mitigated yet. Look to enter off this 30-second fair value gap, and then oh my goodness. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Okay, this buy side is purged. We'll look to see what happens here. These statistical highs were finally taken out. We also have this 5-minute imbalance here. This tiny little 5-minute imbalance. Hopefully we respect it. So this is now a lot more. This is now a lot more confluence for us to go even shorter here. So this looks very probable, in my opinion. I like to size up. Long now. Oh, I don't know if I want a long, bro. If we break structure here in the next 1 minute and 30 seconds, I'll look to long. And if we close above this candle here, or this fair value gap. So we have a minute left before our longing. Have you asked yourself whether this trading style could work for you for long term? If you pass the account longevity, is it ultimately critical for trading success? I think if I am able to see the market conditions and if I'm able to just understand the markets and see if it's bearish, because it's highly dependent on if what the bias is for that day. So if it's like bearish, then like it works, but if it's like bullish, then it also works. You know what I mean? So it just all depends on the day, bro. Like on the bias, if my bias is correct. Get off the charts, brother. Bro, I want to see this trade because this trade looks great, bro. We're about to break structure on the 5 minute. We swept out sell side liquidity here, and look, literally, I'm gonna enter off a discount of this area here and long it. Sometimes it's just good just to not do anything. Exactly. So I'm just waiting right now, and this trade was fucking stupid. So, but I had conviction, so I'm not too worried about it. Don't want to keep rushing trades. You're absolutely correct. It's going up now because it broke the latest high. Yeah, so right now I'm just waiting. Like I said, I'm gonna enter off discount area this whole entire range. Lines perfectly with this fair value gap too. So, and we also have this little breaker, etc. So right now we just wait. Oh. Oh wow. Hopefully we get some sort of retracement back down. We broke structure on the 5 minute here. So now what I'm going to do is potentially wait for this 5 minute to get come back and tapped because we're just straight riding up. So, and we're about to break structure on the 15 minute. If we break structure on the 15 minute, that's even gonna be more high probable. Free money, bro. You're right. Just want to let you know I have been trading over 5 years, found consistency over the past year. You remind me of myself at the start of my journey. Focus on quality and not quantity. You're right. I gotta focus on quality and not quantity, because no one's not like, that makes sense. You're right. Focus on quality, not quantity. If it breaks the buy side level you marked up, you'll go even higher. Look for buys. It's time to short now. We'll see. I want to see some sort of retracement back down though. I want to see a 15-minute break of structure. If we break structure on the 15 minute here, that would be crazy. Wait, so Luke LSFX, do you trade ICT or do you like supporting resistance? Like, how do you trade? Looks like we're rejecting this. So to all of his buy side. I could look to short this and target this 5 minute fair value gap here. But we'll see. We'll see. Price eventually has to come back down and tap to a higher time frame imbalance here. After we've already mitigated this bearish fair value gap here, I possible that it's no reason for us to just stay in this range right here. It's possible, but we're about to break structure in the 15-minute here. Used to post a lot on YouTube, gained over 7,000 subscribers teaching ICT, but was constantly break even overall. I created my own concepts and focused on that makes sense to me. That's when it's important. That's what's up, bro. I'm glad. I'm glad you found your own concept, bro. I'm glad you found your own edge, etc. Get rid of this. We broke structure on the 15 minutes. So right now I'm looking for a lower, like a 5-minute, 5-minute retracement or something. Yeah, we broke structure, but longing up here is just very improbable. Unless you want to have your stops all the way down here, but that's, yeah, we're not doing that. We're just gonna wait for some sort of retracement. But I can tell you're about to blow up as a trader influencer. Looking at your socials, man, you're going up for sure. Just keep posting you, and the only place to go is up. Exactly, bro. 100%, man. Like I said, growing up, man, I always wanted to become like some sort of influencer. I never knew I was gonna be like a trading like person at all, like realistically. So I appreciate everyone, bro. My channel has been blowing up recently, and I'm very thankful for everything. In the end, it's you against you. It's not important what other people trade like. Focus on your own, create your own individuality. Of course, 100%, bro. Wow. The ice is melting. We'll see what happens. Gotta go to Oklahoma City around 3. So I literally have to like do so much shit today. So and I still gotta eat, but I'm like low-key full. So it's like uncomfortable. Price is starting to slow down a little bit here. If we can get a retracement, I don't want a long up there. We'll see what happens here. Supporting you, brother. Hope you find your edge. All worth it. 100%, bro. Like, I'm going to be a profitable trader. I know I will. It's just a matter of time and commitment I am to this. Ditto to that. Thank you, brother, man. I appreciate you guys. Dude, we played basketball yesterday, bro, and I literally lost all my games. It's not even funny. Like, we played against these like 6+ foot guys, bro, and they were just dogging on me, bro. And it's like, god damn, bro. Cameron said, yeah, keep up the good content, bro. A lot of people are in the same boat. That's why your channel is very appealing. Exactly, bro. Because like, no one ever makes a YouTube video of them saying day in the life as an unprofitable day trader, as a failed day trader. Everyone's always like day in the life of a million day trader or all that stuff, and everyone likes those, you know what I mean? But no one ever wants to see, or nobody ever sees a failed day trader put their life on YouTube. So that's very different. I'm stuck in the matrix, so I'm gotta head to work. Have a great day, man. Looking forward to tomorrow's stream. Yes, sir, bro. You have I would say you have a great day at work, but like, dude, work is just exhausting, bro. It's so exhausting, bro. You have a great day at work, bro. Keep it up, man. You have a good one. Man, looks like we're not getting some sort of retracement. unless we retraced, unless we come back to this 15-minute fair value gap here. Yeah, bro. Like, not majority of people are unprofitable. That's why they watch my shit. So like I just keep it real and basic, bro. Like I don't do too much editing to it. I kind of just cut up clips and put it on there. So keep it raw and basic instead of those fancy edits. But obviously I plan on doing those soon. I just don't know when, because I honestly I would say I have the time, but I don't realistically. So I still gotta edit yesterday's vlog or yesterday's day in the life later today too. So it's gonna be a long day for sure. Dun, dun, dun. Where have you been? Nobody knows you like I do. I don't know the song. 12:35. Where have you been? We'll see what happens here. I think I peaked at 23 viewers today, bro. That is crazy. I think that's like my max. One day we're gonna have over 100 people in here, bro. Guarantee it. Already know it. Oh, my back. Oh, I think we got legs today too. Oh no. Oh no. Probably gonna squat pretty heavy, low key. Haven't squat heavy in forever. Like now, the market's kind of dying, bro. It's like there's nothing to look for anymore. Took 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take 5 trades again. Only if I. That was pretty stupid of me. But at least we got a pretty good fill up here, though. Honestly, guys, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the live stream here. Market's just going up. I'll put it all in the day in the life if we take any more trades after this, but I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day. But I appreciate everybody for joining, as always. I know the live stream was started a bit late today because I had my sister, Mr. Bus, etc. So right now, probably just gonna end the live stream, edit the video, edit the trade recap and everything. So other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you for everyone for joining. I appreciate everybody. One day we will get profitable, and yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.